Book of Heaven, Volume 11, December 22nd, 1916. Everything that the soul does in the will of God, Jesus does together with her. Having received communion, I was uniting all of myself with Jesus, pouring all of myself into his will, and I said to him, I am unable to do anything or say anything, therefore I feel the great need to do what you do, and to repeat your own words. In your will I find, present, and as though in act, the acts you did in receiving yourself in the sacrament. I make them my own, and I repeat them for you. So I tried to penetrate into everything which Jesus had done in receiving himself in the sacrament. And while I was doing this, he told me,
My daughter, the soul who does my will, and whatever she does in my volition, forces me to do whatever she does together with her. So, if she receives communion in my will, I repeat the acts I did in communicating myself, and I renew the complete fruit of my sacramental life. If she prays in my will, I pray with her and renew the fruit of my prayers. If she suffers, if she works, if she speaks in my will, I suffer with her, renewing the fruit of my pains. I work and speak with her, and I renew the fruit of my works and words, and so with all the rest.